So in this video, I'll demonstrate how to install the QA demo website or the Lightning DXPR project on your local web server. So the first step is to make sure you have your access token installed in your Composer configuration. So you can do that with this command. I'll skip this because I've already set this up locally. And next, we start by clearing the Composer cache. Once that's done, we can copy this command. This command will download the Lightning DXPR project along with all its dependencies. So this command should complete without any prompts for usernames or passwords or whatever. If you do get a prompt for a username or password, that means your access token is not installed correctly, because if this is not installed, it will ask for example, for a GitHub username so that it can check out or clone the repository from GitHub, which is not what we want here. So this is completed successfully. Next, we go to the Lightning DXPR repo, where we find further instructions. So we just did the Composer project installation, and now we continue with the Drupal installation. If you want, you can do it in the browser using the installation wizard, but we're going to do this using the command line. So we start with the first command, cd into the directory we just created into the doc root. So for development, it's best to install the QA demo, which is the same demo we use at try.dxpr. And in order to install this demo, we need to install an additional dependency. So we need to run this optional command here. And once we have the DXPR Builder Enterprise module, we will copy this command and edit the options. So here it says demo select is DXPR basic demo. We're going to change this to DXPR QA demo. I'm going to update the MySQL login here. I don't have a password set on my local machine, so it's just username. And I click backspace. I didn't set up a database, but I think the account has permission to create one. So yeah, it's better to first create a database and then enter the database name here. But since I accidentally hit enter before customizing this part, it's creating a database named dbname, which apparently works as well. So what I should have done is run this command first and create a database. But depending on your MySQL permissions, you can skip this step and just enter whatever database name here. All right, so let's see what we got. So this looks good. We have our QA demo website. As you can see in the install command, we set it up with an account password admin. So we can log in with admin and admin as login. So right now we are on the stable release of both the XPR Builder and the XPR theme. And the next step is to link the installation to the development version of the XPR theme. So if you haven't done so yet, you should check out the DXPR theme repository on your local machine and make sure it's up to date and on the main branch. So once you've done this, we're going to copy this path and we go into the themes folder, the script folder. We remove the local copy of the XPR theme. We're going to symlink it to the local copy of the XPR theme. Or you can clone the Git repository here. Both options are fine. So now when I remove this, I have to refresh twice. We should now be on the development version. It still says 1.2.2. Not sure if that's right. Yeah, and now we lost the version number string because we're on the development version. So I just had to clear the caches to make that work.